All right, we're gonna take a little ride in a 1976 Silverado 20 Camper Special. Nicely restored truck, nice paint, real nice interior, headliner, dash. It's got tilt wheel, power steering, disc brakes, factory air conditioning. It's got a nice running 454 original V8 in it with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It's got 5 Centerline polished alloys on there, 8 lug. Look nice on there. Modernizes the truck, but already has features that you want, you know, in a modern, in a classic vehicle. You want some of the modern features. It's got a hard tonneau cover in the back. Cover up your valuables when you're out shopping. You can lock it up. Got plenty of power, lots of torque. This is nice about a 454. Smooth ride too, actually, for being a heavy-duty suspension and everything. Go ahead and hook it right here. I'll go down to the end here and take some pictures of this beauty so you can see it up close. Here's a real nice truck, a 1976 Camper Special Silverado 20. Nice two-tone red and white. It's got the hard tonneau cover, so you can lock up your valuables back there. Chrome front and rear bumpers. Sliding rear window. Got some tinted windows too. Keep the rays off the interior. Tires are fairly new. Some good years. The Centerline wheels look great. We got a spare wheel exactly like it in the back of the truck as well. A couple little paint flaws here and there, you know, a little bit of clear stuff, but not bad. I mean, it's a good looking truck for a 1976. It's got all of its emissions stuff on there still, so it'll pass the smog in California. It's 1 year off of being exempt from that, but at least it's all there. Show you the interior. Got the little teepee on there for camping. Camper Special. It's got tilt steering, factory air, updated CD stereo in there. It's funny, back in the 70s they put wood grain on everything. Deluxe interior. Sliding window. Great looking hauler. You can tow with it, or just cruise it. Here's the power plant in the Silverado 20. Big brute of a 454. Still got the smog emissions equipment on there. Factory air conditioning, power steering, the good cooling system. Got a transmission cooler. It's ready to go. Power disc brakes up front. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Good running big block. Runs nice and smooth. Ready to haul anything you got. Got a brand new battery in there too. Pretty clean. Well, if you want to see this truck in person, come out to visit us at California Cars in Simi Valley. Address is 2158 Union Place, City of Simi. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, and we'd be happy to show you the truck. Thanks for watching.